We always talk about multiplication tricks, but not a lot of people talk about division tricks. So what I'm going to show you here, it will blow your mind. Just focus and see when you're dividing by 9, by 8, by 7, by 6. So your focus should be your tens digit. Okay, so the tens digit here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9, and the same thing here. So your focus is the tens digit. So when you're dividing, what you need to do, you need to focus on that tens digit. And what happens to the tens digit is every time, in the case of 9, every time that tens digit increases by 1, so you add 1 to the 0, you add 1 to the 1. So you're just adding 1 to the tens digit. So here 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and so on, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Again, the tens digit, you just add 1 to that and you get the answer. But for the 8, it's a little bit trickier than that. Where's the trick? Now, if you look at the numbers on the left-hand side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you see how the 4 repeats here. So what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be adding 1, the same thing that we did last time. But when that number, the tens digit repeat, which is 4, 4, then we start adding 2. Which means the same thing here. So we add 1, 1, 1, but then the tens digit repeats, we add 2 here. So we're adding 1 here to the tens digit. But now it repeats again, and then we add 3. How about here, when we divide them by 6, nothing repeats, so we're adding 1 so far, and then the 1 repeats, we add 2 to the tens digit, and then 3 repeats, then we add 3, and then the 4 repeats, then we end up adding 4 to the tens digit. So that's the trick. So here, you know, dividing 8 by 8, you get 1, 16 by 8, you get 2. And then 24 divided by 8. So you're just adding 1 to the tens digit, 4, 5. Now the 4 repeats. Now you cannot add 1. You have to add 2 to the tens digit. So this becomes 6, 7. 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 8 plus 2 is 10. Now let's go here. So we're adding 1 to this 3 tens digits. So 7 divided by 7 is 1, 14 divided by 1, you add 1 to the 1 there, you get 2, you're adding 1 to the 2, you get 3. But now the tens digit repeats, so 2, 2 here, now we start adding 2s instead of 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Now here the the tens digit repeat, we get 4 and 4. So now we increase it by 1 more, we start adding 3. So that's going to give me 7. That's 8. That's 9. And that 7 plus 3 is 10. How about here? We add 1. So that's to that first digit to get what it equals. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now the 1 repeats, we start adding 2 instead. So that's 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then here, the 3's repeat, the tens digit repeat. So now we add 3 instead. So the 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then after that, the 4 here repeats. The tens digit repeat. So instead of adding 3, we add 1 more now. So we have to add 4 instead of 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. So there you go. So as you see, you could double check, right? So that's a check, and that checks. So this is kind of unique and magical because it's maybe a way that if you want to write your division table in there, just know that's the thing that you use. You just focus on the tens digit every time, and you add a 1. You keep on adding 1 unless the tens digit repeat, then you increase 1, you add 2, and then if it repeats twice, the next time you add another 1, which you're adding 3, and so on. Okay, so this is it. So don't forget to hit that like button, share with family and friends, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.